I go show una correct upgrade. Eat fresh cassava. This cassava I buy for market, but back home for Cameroon we go harvest am for farm. So we go peel this cassava, then grater am. When we grater the cassava finish, we go squeeze the water wey dey inside the cassava, and then we will keep the cassava aside. Now we need one fresh ripe bananas. Make sure say the banana ripe very well, because we no need banana wey go dey make grush grush. We need banana wey soft well and it is sweet plenty. We go peel this banana, then mash am for inside container. Now I nutmeg this, and we also get salt for inside. When we grater this nutmeg, and then we add am with salt. Now our fresh coconut, this we will broke this coconut, move the water through am. Then we go use our grater. Wait, make I show una the grater. Now grater this wey I go use grater this coconut, and now this same grater I go use for grater the cassava wey we go use for this akara. Make sure say you no skip any step for this recipe, so that you no go miss out, because we for diaspora we believe only for the akara we will make back home. So now why that way Chef Reynas dey here today for sure una upgrade, so that una go improve the way una dey make akara. Now our cassava, this fresh cassava, I don't peel am and move the vein wey dey for middle. Now I go use the grater when I show una that time, and I will grater the cassava very well. After I don grater the cassava, like I tell una before, I go squeeze the water wey dey inside the cassava, because we no need that water. Because that water it will make our akara very soft, and we no want make akara be very soft. So now our coconut, this I don't broke the coconut, throw away the water because we no need them. I go use that same grater, and I go grate our coconut, and then una go see how I dey carry the process small. Now the cassava this way now don't finish grater am. This cassava now I go squeeze the water inside, then set aside. Una don't see the cassava. Now so it dey very white and fresh cassava. Now we will need them. Now our coconut, this I use our same grater. I grater this coconut. This coconut we go add inside the akara mixture, and then una go see how everything it go in place the way we want maybe. Now our cassava this way I don't squeeze am. Una see am, no water no remain for inside. Make sure say you squeeze your cassava very well. You see as it dry. Now only my hand I use and squeeze am. So now this bowl where all the mixture will go inside. Now na banana, this was sweet ripe banana. If you use your fork for mash the banana, or if you get mortar pieces, anything if you use them, you mash your banana well. As you don't see, our banana don't be mashed. I use na fork. Now I dey add salt. Remember say we not supposed to put sugar for this recipe at all, because the banana already is sweet. So na sugar. We don't add nutmeg now. We go mix everything very well. After we don't mix all this one now, that time we go say I will add our coconut, as you see for this video. Make sure say you no skip. You see me, I don't put coconut. Mix the coconut, the banana, the nutmeg and the salt together. After you don't mix them very well, that time you go remember say the last thing you go put for inside now our cassava we will don't grater, and then we squeeze them. Remember say no water no suppose for that cassava, because we no want our akara make it soft. You see now our akara this now it come together small. Now when we don't finish add the cassava, we go mix them very well. When we don't finish mix them, remember say na hand we go use and mold this akara as they do back home. So no come for one man country, can they use one man style for mold akara? It no go ever taste like the one way we make for Cameroon. Make sure say if you no want make akara gum for your hand, put gloves. As you go see for this video, I go wear my gloves. You don't see am? Na my hand that. So I don't wear my gloves. I no go mold that me around. I will just mold that me long how they sell for corner road for Cameroon. Make sure so you follow this step. And this akara, by the time you finish fry am, you only the crunchiness from the coconut, you no go feel bear am. If you try this akara, you go thank me every day, because now for Chef Reynas kitchen where you go discover all those beautiful recipes where you don't forget them long time ago. You see am? Na my akara that I don't mold them. I don't mold them. Now all then that one I don't mold them. And remember say we dey go back for village, because we go use na palm oil wey na red oil for fry this akara. No use groundnut oil no, no use vegetable oil, no use even canola oil. I go just put small canola oil inside the palm oil so that make the akara shine when it done. So now make una follow me, make we go start fry our akara. As una dey see now, na palm oil I dey pour for frying pan. You fit use any pot of your choice, but I go use this my fry pan because it deep well. You don't see the oil don't start to bleach. No, make sure say you no bleach the oil plenty. Now add small canola oil or vegetable oil. This one na just for add shine for the akara so no feel say na the oil you use and fry. Na palm oil akara we dey make. So now you go leave this oil, make it try fry small, make small smoke come out. When small smoke don't come out, you will drop one akara inside so that you could see if the oil don't ready for start fry. As you see you see some sizzling sign. Good. Now wait till that we look for. So we don't see and say what oil don't hot. Now start to drop the akara then inside. Make sure say make the akara done for one side before you turn the other side. Yes. So for this one, if you use small stick, if you know say no fit use fork. This one no be joke. This akara, as you see and so, it is very crispy for outside and na so it's soft for the inside. If you don't say you could try this akara, comment down below and make sure say you no watch this video alone. Share this video for all your group, all your African brothers and sisters within the diaspora, where they know sabi make this my recipe where I dey teach una today. So you see na so the akara color dey. Na say it dey shine. Now because of that canola oil we put for inside the maker, it dey shine so. And the coconut go make it go really dey crispy for outside. Tell me say you go try this akara. Now you must try and make sure say you go fry am for batches. This batch it done. As you remove am, you put am on top your paper. Now you go start drop the second batch. You fry am batch by batch. Make sure say make it dey deep fry and make you no overcrowd the pan. You see now my second batch that's I put am so. This akara is sweet well. I hope say you go try this recipe. Make sure say after you try am, make a know for comment section. Now our second batch is already una dey see am very crispy, very nice. Now make sure so now share this video because not only for Chef Reynas kitchen una dey get this kind recipe them every day at the upgrade. I know the follow that old-fashioned recipe. I did make sure so I put something new for inside where you go make it carry and go for the next level. Tell me how this akara dey. You see it come out well. Make sure so you make Nadima over shape akara, not make the round one them. Now some people they call this one say akara pepper. Other people they call and say akara banana because na banana they take use. You see akara done. Now I go make one pepper for the side. Now because our plate full now why that I never put pepper inside. But you always know say any normal Cameroonian akara must get pepper on the side. Now that akara now we go take deep for inside the pepper, then we go eat. Some people even get palmy when they get some small palm wine for corner. They go take join them. They drink them after they eat this akara. As I tell una before, this one no be the normal akara we una know back home. You see I said the akara done. You see the crispiness when I tell una. And you see when you cut them, now say go dey soft for inside. And una not forget say for this akara, I use na palm oil fry am. I put coconut, fresh coconut. I grated am with my hand, then I add that inside. I also put nutmeg for inside this akara. We make it give very good flavor and it tastes for mouth very well. Remember say you no suppose add sugar for this akara because our sweet ripe banana now be the sugar wey dey inside this akara. Make sure say you try this recipe and tell me say you like am for comment section. Thank you. I wanna tell me where to now I'm cook for again for this my kitchen. See you next time. Bye bye.